Ipswich this weekend. What are you expecting?
Ipswich this weekend. Well, a tough game because they're very organised. Mick's done a great job. They're very organised. We went there last year. We played very well. We couldn't score because we were very defensively organised. But I'm expecting a tough game like the Championship. But we must believe in what we're doing. We are very, very close from giving somebody a hiding. If anybody watches, credit to the 500 fans that come down. If anybody watched the QPR, we were by far the better side. Therefore, great opportunities to take the lead, which we've never taken. So we need to make sure we keep to that plan, keep to that kind of structure in our team, and believing that we're going to win the game.
How much pressure would that relieve if you were to hand somebody a good
Yeah, well, I don't know if it's pressure. I think it's more, that we deserve it. If anybody's been watching, I understand that other fans want to win. It's an addiction. If you're a football fan, you want to win. It's as simple as that. You want to win every game, but you got to realise, we're in a position where we've got to make sure on and off the field we balance the books. We've got to make sure that we stay competitive on the field, and we make sure the lads are competitive and get a good spirit, and that's what's happening. Now, along the way, can you play good football and win games of football? That's what we're trying to do. We've got one aspect of it, we're controlling games, we're creating the opportunities. We just need to make sure we're a little bit more ruthless when it comes to, in and around the opposition's penalty box. And my experience tells me if you keep that up and you keep the opportunities coming, it will come off one day.
Frustration can be a bit of a pain because it can take the edge off your performances, can't it? How nice would it be to just sort of win a game and get rid of that frustration?
Well, I think I think it's a challenge. I think this is what happens to you. It's a challenge. We're in a situation where we're getting challenged week in, week out. Are we injuries? We either with the financial situation in terms of balancing the books and being very careful what we do, or being in a situation as we are in terms of controlling games, having opportunities and not either taking them or keep on making good saves, or hitting crossbars and things like that. So we need to make sure we look at it as a challenge, and it is another challenge against Ipswich that I believe that we can come off with a win because of the way we're playing and the way we're still sticking together.
If a win came along, is that almost the start of a run? Can you feel
that normally happens. That normally happens. Same as goal scorers, you can go on a little run as we done at the beginning. Well, at the beginning of the season we had the situation we're in now. Then we went that 8-9 game run. We were feeling good about ourselves, and that certainly can happen. And that's why you work every day. You work every day. You work hard every day. But certainly, the effort the lads have been putting in. The stats are showing you that they're creating opportunities. So it's certainly just keep that going, and normally, as you just say, when you get that win, you go off in a little run and that'll take you up the league.
Are you impressed with how well Ipswich have done this year?
I am impressed, because of obviously where they found themselves last year, but that is football for you. The ups and downs of football, and Ipswich they went along the road of spending a lot of money 4 or 5 years ago and tried to get up to the next division, and that didn't quite happen. So they've trimmed their wage bill, and they've got a tighter unit and a tighter squad, and there's more realism in what they're trying to do, and that's benefited the team in terms of going out every week and giving 100%, and that's transmitted to results. So it's going to be a tough game for us, but like anybody, you want to win as many games as you can, and I'm sure Mick will be the same.
In terms of what they are trying to build and have built there, I guess that must be very similar to what you want to do here.
Well, you need to take every club, and I don't know their situation, but you need to take every club individually. Our football club right now, and the fans, I think, are starting to understand that where we are, we have got to balance the books. It's as simple as that. I'm not going to put this club in any position where it finds itself, a lot of other clubs losing grounds and losing points and down to the next divisions. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to build a team of younger players that one day this club will be in a better position than I found it, and that is by building younger players, getting the wage budget down, respecting Eddie Davis's money. Stop, complaining that Eddie Davis, with all this money, Eddie Davis is putting 165 million, so I'm respecting his money, and I want to get that message across. And along the lines of that, I'm trying to make sure we stay spirited in one of games of football and make sure we're entertainment value there, but it is where we are, and that is certainly what a lot of clubs are having to do, and Ipswich are probably 18 months ahead of us of doing that back, which I think we need, and every player's been linked with us, but except left back, so I try quite amused at times.